Ever pondered how to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine in 2024? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the depths of YouTube monetization, unraveling the strategies that can fill your pockets using this powerful platform. Firstly, understanding the basics is essential. YouTube operates on a partnership program that allows creators to earn money from ads and YouTube Premium subscribers watching their content. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to it. To qualify for this program, a channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. So, if you're starting from scratch, focus on building an audience and creating engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. Now, let's move on to step 1. Become a YouTube partner. Once you've reached the required threshold, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is your ticket to monetization. The application process is straightforward. Go to the YouTube Studio, find the Monetization tab, and follow the instructions. Step 2. Set up an AdSense account. This is where your earnings will be deposited. It's a Google platform that deals with ad revenue. Make sure to link it with your YouTube channel. Step 3. Know your ads. YouTube offers different types of ads like display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, bumper ads, and sponsored cards. Each type has its own earning potential. Understand them and choose wisely. Step 4. Enable monetization for your videos. Remember, not all videos are eligible. Your content must comply with YouTube's ad-friendly content guidelines. Violating these rules could result in demonetization or other penalties. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, create community posts, interact on social media. User engagement plays a significant role in increasing your views and consequently your revenue. Finally, step 6. Consider diversifying your income streams. Selling merchandise, crowdfunding, or setting up channel memberships can provide additional income. Also, collaborations with brands for sponsored videos can be a lucrative option. Now, let's summarize. To make money on YouTube in 2024, you need to 1. Become a YouTube partner. 1. Set up an AdSense account. 1. Understand the different ad types. 1. Enable monetization for eligible videos. 1. Engage with your audience. 1. Diversify your income streams. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, creativity, and patience. But with the right strategies in place, turning your YouTube channel into a money-making machine is entirely possible. So go ahead, create, engage, and monetize. The world of YouTube awaits you.